You were asking earlier about kitchen design and layout. Absolutely, I do kitchen design and layout. So you can see that, and I'll walk you through what that process will look like. So, oops, program code on me. So early on in the process, we're going to be looking at the layout of your kitchen. Now, this sketch may not make much sense to you right now, but I would walk you through it in more detail when it was your sketch, of course. But what we can see here is that we'll talk about putting the sink right here, putting the cooktop right here, and the refrigerator column right here and form a nice little work triangle with an access path into their walk-in pantry. That's just really rough and preliminary, obviously, but once we agree on the basic layout of this, and putting a little breakfast bar right here and a low countertop area right here, once you get to understand what this layout is in a sketch format, then I put in the work of looking at this in drafted format on my plan sheets. And you can see there's more detail shown about where all the appliances are going, where your dishwasher, your trash compactor, your cooktop, whether or not you have an appliance garage, the refrigerator, which way the door is going to swing, how much counter space you have, and how that walk-in pantry might work. Once you really get to understand this, then we start looking at this in 3D when we move on to phase 2, interior design. And I can show you that this sort of same kitchen that you're seeing just in plan format looks like this in 3D based on the client's tastes and budget. We've got the sink with the dishwasher, trash compactor, the cooktop with the hood above. There's an appliance garage right here. There's a little push to open little pass-through panel to get into the walk-in pantry, and there's even a pull-out pantry for immediate access when you're cooking. And then that low countertop area. Now, I'm not going in and showing exactly which pull-out pantry this is or what's going on each shelf, nor am I showing all the gizmos and gadgets that might be going on in here, or even if you wanted to put a little 6 to 12 inch wide cabinet here for cookie sheets or something like that. You can go into a lot more detail with the actual people who are going to build the cabinets, but this is a really good start. It makes sure that everything's big picture covered, but then each cabinet vendor is going to have their own special line of products and add-ins that you can do. This trash thing could easily have just been a pull-out with the trash cans in it rather than a full-on trash compactor. So there's a lot of options to consider with that final fabricator, but this is for all intents and purposes a fairly well laid out and designed kitchen.